Click on the link below to get price. The G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB series, AMD Expo, DDR5 RAM 96GB, 2x48GB is a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their gaming or productivity rig. This memory kit is specifically designed for AMD platforms, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. With its impressive 96GB capacity, it's perfect for heavy multitasking, content creation, and resource-intensive applications. Upon unboxing, the first thing that catches the eye is the stunning RGB lighting. The sleek design and vibrant illumination add a modern touch to any build, making it a great aesthetic choice for gamers and enthusiasts alike. The light diffusion technology used in the Trident Z5 Neo series ensures that the RGB effect is bright and evenly distributed, creating an eye-catching display that can be easily customized through various software options. Performance-wise, this RAM excels in both speed and stability. With a frequency of 6000 MHz, it delivers remarkable bandwidth, allowing for smooth gameplay and fast data processing. The low latency of CL30 further enhances its performance, making it a suitable option for high-performance gaming and demanding tasks. During testing, the RAM maintained excellent stability, even when overclocked, further proving its reliability. Installation is straightforward, and the RAM is compatible with a wide range of AMD motherboards. The dual-channel configuration helps maximize the memory bandwidth, ensuring that data is transferred quickly and efficiently. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working with large files, the Trident Z5 Neo handles it all with ease. In terms of value, while the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo may come at a premium price point, the combination of high performance, aesthetic appeal, and reliability makes it worth the investment for serious users. Overall, this RAM kit is an excellent addition to any high-end build, providing the speed and capacity needed to tackle any task with confidence.